Our next contestant to grace our stage this evening, ladies and gentlemen, is contestant number 18, the current reigning Miss Bowl Fashion, Cristina Kimoana Malolo Velofia. Cristina is 20 years of age, heralds from the beautiful villages of Ahio Uulakai, Ta'aki Moyaka, Toa ko Teisina, Wha ko fia mea o tu motu lalo, Maka ko Pauline, Paini tu Uua, Paki Moitoi, Whungalaulea, and Savai Samoa. Cristina is currently studying travel and tourism, and growing up she always enjoyed new things and challenging herself to a better lifestyle. She's a member of the Tongan Assemblies of God Church in Aotearoa, New Zealand. She was very honoured to be a part of the Miss Bowls Fashion 2019 in New Zealand, representing Miss Papa's Cakes. She's now representing Miss Bowls Fashion 2019 in the Miss Heilala 2019-2020 pageant. Cristina says it's been a huge blessing and an amazing experience to be a part of Miss Heilala 2019. She considers herself to be open-minded, reliable, outgoing, and loves meeting new people. She's strongly encouraged to influence young women and drive them to give their full potential in everything that they do. Our contestant next on the stage, contestant number 18. Our contestant Fikataha Valu, Miss Bowls Fashion, Cristina Kimoana Malolo Velofia. O ta unga fulu, pe o lele mai mei Aukalani Nu'usila. Cristina Kimoana Malolo Velofia, Miss Bowls Fashion 2019. Cristina Kimoana Malolo Velofia. Si ota kakala, koe whalahola ne alaha, wheloteni koe ofa. Wisa ka fotu he hauhaonga, pe ai I loto ko e kukoloa. Tulou pe whakaata ange mua au, ki o lave atu, ki ka kei tau olunga o e ki I whinemotu o tuani. Miss Bowls Fashion wawhi mata hiva, Cristina Kimoana Malolo Velofia, mei he ahi o la kai, whungalau lea, Ta'aki Moyaka, o lalo, haumale eia, moi maka ko Pauline. Oua na ataku ko haate sanitongua, ka koe patapata he lava mea, moi nima mea a eko designer, mo eko sponsor, I hono omi e whakakau fo'ou, I hono fo'u mo wha'u, ai fuafua ka ke I tau olunga, o ngawe aki e fuai whalahola moa. Ko whakahingoa ai e designer ai fuafua teunga fuai whalaholani, koe pā kakala whalahola o Cristina Kimoana Malolo Velofia. E hoko ai peeni kono ka ke I tau olunga, kai aua lewa ko mao hano whalalaanga, pea kuanga peheni hono whaunga. Kono konga ki olunga, kua lau I wha ne tutuu ai konga o tauaki melo, pea haka o fohi ai konga o tatao, pea toki omi ki naua, o tohi, pea whi o tui whakataha ki naua, o mao ai hono konga ki olunga. Kono konga ki lalo, ko ngatu uli, ko tui ki ai e fua I whalahola, aki ai kawha, pea toki fungani aki hapa kakala whalahola, ne sia aki ai lau I wha ne haka o fohi pia tatao ke o hā masani ai I he pōni. Ko ono no oloto, ko hakafa whalahola, ko ono ka hoa, vesa nima, moe vae, ko e fuai whalahola kotoa. Ko ono teki teki, ko e whalahola, pia o ku iai halave ai e ono, ko e whakamahino, ai ne pole pole he nea osia e kuonga hono ono. Ko e lave melo melo e nima, o ko ne whawhawhonga e kuonga e nima, pia holuni ai lave hina hina e taha, ko e whakataipe o la a kuonga whanua. Kono lolo tākai, ko e lolo paongo, pia tene tau olunga ke taha e ngāhi taanga la a kuonga whanua o kui loa ko e apasia. Ko e punake, ko melika pusiaki, ko e kauhiwa, ko e wha o ne lua me la paha, pia ko e designer, ko e lolo futu handicrafts. Ho eke mo kāinga, mo pasipasi I mai, Miss Pose Fashion 2019, Christina Kimoana Malolo Velofia.
Thank you. No.
Vainga mo paspasi mai ai contestant fika tahavalo Miss Bowes Fashion, Cristina Kibuana Malolo Velofia. Ko Cristina foki o ko tau wanoa, pe o ko lele mai fokia me i Aonkalani Nu'usila. She is a member of the Tongan Assemblies of God in New Zealand and of course is the current reigning Miss Bowes Fashion 2019.